Left and right brachiocephalic veins, previously called innominate veins, are drained to by vertebral vein and other veins that directly drain to brachiocephalic veins. Vertebral vein is joined to the deep cervical vein by occipital vein, which drains to suboccipital venous plexus, occipital emissary vein, which passes through the Candela canal, drains to occipital vein. Suboccipital venous plexus drains to vertebral vein. Deep cervical vein, also known as posterior vertebral vein or posterior deep cervical vein, drains to vertebral vein. Other veins that directly drain to brachiocephalic veins include inferior thyroid veins, which are drained to by inferior laryngeal vein, thymic veins. Veins of the human body, thorax or chest and vertebral column, include thorax or chest veins and vertebral column, also known as the backbone or spine veins. Thorax or chest veins include heart veins and lung veins and superior vena cava (SVC) vein. Heart veins include coronary sinus vein, which drains to right atrium, and small cardiac vein, also known as the right coronary vein, which drains to coronary sinus. Coronary sinus vein is drained to by great cardiac vein, also known as left coronary vein, which is drained to by left marginal vein from left ventricle, posterior vein of the left ventricle, oblique vein of the left atrium, also known as oblique vein of Marshall, which drains from left atrium to coronary sinus and is connected to ligament of the left vena cava, also known as fold of the left vena cava or vestigial fold of Marshall, or vestigial fold of Marshall. Middle cardiac vein. Small cardiac vein, also known as the right coronary vein, includes anterior cardiac veins, also known as anterior veins of right ventricle, which drain blood from the anterior portion of the right ventricle into the right atrium, which may sometimes be drained to by right marginal vein. Lung veins include pulmonary veins, which drain from lungs to left atrium. Superior vena cava vein, SVC vein, is drained to by left and right brachiocephalic veins, previously called innominate veins, and azygos vein.